extended Vine clan here to support her. Dad's up on the side, too nervous to watch. We have the championship heat, 100-yard breaststroke. Penobscot Valley Championship 2017 Girls Championship. Rachel Vine is about to swim 100 yards of breaststroke. It's the final heat of the event. 2. Quick look up at the lines again. Sorry.